John. You have this. This photography. Tetuuka yeera. The president is there. The station is vast. We have paper spread inside. Daniel aveeko ky'ayogera. Pulezidenti wano nga Dani waalefunda mu maaso kamera bwekiri wano munsi era wujira omuntu wano kubanga aliriwo.
Exhausted rather, receptionist was put under arrest and they ordered him to go room per room, start opening doors forcefully. Of course, I know they didn't tell him why they were doing so. They started breaking door per door and pepper spraying. And I heard Afandemu Chibi personally saying that if they refuse to open, just pepper spray, they'll get out. They broke into one of the rooms and pepper sprayed. Since the pepper spray was too much, of course, I had to come out out of my room. Then they went into room Boston, broke it, pepper sprayed, a lot of pepper spray. We had one of our foot soldier in who is asthmatic. They started coughing and she collapsed. To pull her out. And when the president had her crying, the president moved out with his camera on. Afandemu Chibi, after seeing the president with his camera on, disappeared. He ran away with all his squads.
Did they reveal the reason for the operation?
No, they didn't tell us the reason for the operation. But according to what I heard, that it's like they are looking for Tower, General Gaza, and some other comrades. And I heard them through their communication. They're like they've arrested some of our colleagues, arrested one of our drones with our colleagues in them. They're from a Leptong. They were in a Leptong police station and they've been driven to Lira police station.
Yes, sir.
How are you, sir?
I am okay, sir.
You have tear-gassed our rooms. You have raided and broken all rooms.
Not all rooms, we have not broken anything. We opened.
No, I've been filming. You have been live. You know. Ono si Muchibi. Yeah, umami ogwemulabaye Muchibi. He has raided us together with this team. As you can see them, all of them. You just want to make sure the world is following everything that you're doing. Okay? This is the squad that has raided our hotel, tear-gassed our rooms. As you can see, they keep hiding their faces, but Momoji is Acoli. Magician. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's a situation up Lira in a hotel. We've been raided by the police, as you can see. But thanks to the exposure, Yeah, I think now they've left because the cameras have increased. That is the situation right now. We thank all of you that have spread this message all over the world. It is your camera that keeps us safe. Thank you very much. We shall keep you updated. Yeah, I think now they've left because the cameras have increased. That is the situation right now. We thank all of you that have spread this message all over the world. It is your camera that keeps us safe. Thank you very much. We shall keep you updated.